Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to use the Raphael AI to generate the image. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Let's introduce Raphael AI, an AI image generator that it is for free, unlimited, and also you don't have to do the login or the sign up. And here I am accessing it from my Google Chrome, and you can type the keywords like this, Raphael AI, and you will find this first recommendation or suggestion, and you can simply click it, then it will bring you into this home page. There are the image editing prompt and also the login section if you would like to. But since we have the got the information that it is free, unlimited, and no sign up, then we will try to generate the image without the sign up. Because as you can see, there are 100% free and also no sign up right here. And this is the or these are the features that will give you the chance to generate the image. There are the section to put your prompt and also the aspect ratio, and also there is the section to make sure that you are the human, or the proof that you are the human. And this is the button to generate the image. But maybe since this is the 100% AI image generator free or for free, so there might be several advertisement like this. But if you would like to stop this advertisement, then you can just stop this advertisement or click this three button, click stop seeing this, and for example the advertisement covered the content, and after that it will disappear instantly. And down here there are the several steps to generate the image, and also the detail or the achievement or even the creations from another user. Let's go back to the prompt and let's try to generate the image. For example, I have prepared for you the prompt right here about the families that are doing the camping with the camper van and on the hill, and also the situation is really delightful and during the sunset. And after that you can also put your details, so it will create the very good, and also the picture or the result will be suitable with your what you wish from that picture. And after that you can also choose the aspect ratio. For example, I will choose this one. So I believe this would be 16 and 9, and also this is the opposite, that is 9 and 16. And after that you can continue click generate. But if you are the new user, they will give you the section to prove you are the human. They usually give you the section to just give the checklist, and after that you can continue to generate. Let's try. And the picture usually will show up on the right side. Kindly wait guys, this might be 30 seconds until 1 minute. And there you go, this is the picture we have. And you can also start to download it, and let's see the result if we download it. And as you can see, there are no any watermarks in every section or in every corner. So don't forget to try this AI guys, because the result is very beautiful and it is for free if you would like to generate the design. So if you have any requests or feedback, and even if you have the recommendation about the AI that can do the save, please don't forget to put it on a comment down below because we would love to see your comments there. And if you like this video and it is find you helpful, so don't forget to hit the thumbs up and also subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.